boat now. The whirlpools were too big. We had to bring the boats up, the kayaks up. We'll hit the water again in a few minutes. It's very pretty here.